Hey, this is Tom with the Tom White Group. Today I want to talk about what not to fix when you sell your home. Usually when you think of selling your home, you think of all this work you have to do. Well, here's some things that you don't need to do and my recommendations for that. The first recommendation is minor AC, electrical, and plumbing repairs, okay? You're just going to have to go what got you there, right? You're at the start line, you're about to go, and you're not going to be able to correct everything at the last minute. Plus, there's going to be an inspection before. So most of the time, like almost all the time, a buyer's going to have an inspection and then everything's going to come out. And when it comes out, then you're just going to have to correct it there. What I don't like to see my sellers doing is doing whack-a-mole and try to fix every single thing that's wrong with the house. It's just too much, okay? The next thing that I don't like to do is I don't like to do half remodels, right? I'm just going to do this one room and we're going to have this room remodeled, but another room's not going to be remodeled. And that way, kind of a little bit of an awkward remodel thing. When I sold my house, I had a few of those where I did a few remodels, and I looked a few years ago on the MLS, and they remodeled the whole house, even my remodels. So sometimes it's good just to not do any remodels, especially if you can't do basically everything, right? If you can't paint the whole house, painting one room might be a little bit different, okay? Now, the last thing I would say not to do is I wouldn't replace the windows, okay? A lot of people, for some reason, they want to replace the windows, but buyers, they don't really value that. And the second thing is old appliances. I would just take the appliance out. If you need to take the appliance and say it doesn't convey, you don't need to replace a new appliance when it's probably not going to convey anyway. So those are a little bit of my hints. Hope I saved you some time. If you have any more questions, we'd love to talk real estate. Just give my team a shout, and we're here to talk to you. Thanks.